You should open a Roth IRA. You have probably heard that before, but exactly why? What makes Roth IRAs so incredibly special, and what is the secret benefit that people are not talking enough about? In this video, I'm going to go ahead and break it down, give you 3 reasons why you should open it, and again, at the end of the video, I'm going to give you that absolute secret that I really don't think enough people are talking about, because it's out there, and I'm not really hearing people be as loud about it as they should. So let's go ahead and, again, break it down. First, let's start with the Roth IRA. It is just an account. The IRA portion stands for Individual Retirement Account. It is for you, an individual. And you must have earned income. There are a lot of people that want to open Roth IRAs for their kids, which is amazing, but if they ain't got no job and you don't have no business where you can pay them actual income and have that traced and have it be legal, you want to be legal here, then no, it is not for kids until they get an actual job. Which 16, 17, whatever age in your state they get that first paycheck, absolutely sign them up for one. And here is the first reason as to why. The first is you can pull out your contributions. Unlike a 401k, unlike a traditional IRA, these investing accounts, keywords account, okay, a Roth IRA is not an investment in and of itself, but you're able to put in $100 and take out $100. Whatever you contribute, whatever you put in, you're able to take out at any point in time. You do this for a 401k, you're going to get hit with a 10% penalty, and then you're going to get hit with income taxes. That's not fun. But a Roth IRA, whatever you put in, you can take out. Now, in this scenario, let's say you put in $100 and you invest in NVIDIA or something great, and it grows to $1,000. How much can you take out without a penalty in this case? Just the $100. Now, that $900 growth, you leave that until age 59 and a half, and that brings us to our second benefit, which is at 59 and a half, assuming you've had the account for at least 5 years, you can pull out all that money tax-free. All of it with 0 taxes. And if you are starting early, if you're doing this for your kids, you can invest for decades, and allow that money to grow for decades and pull that money out and pay $0 in taxes. $0 in taxes. That is one of the best benefits, but it ain't the only one. It is not the only one. The one I don't think enough people are talking about, I'm kind of whispering because I'm excited. I'm like, how is nobody really talking about this? Is this fact. Your heirs can also inherit a Roth IRA and one, pull out the contributions at any point in time with 0 taxes, and they can also get the earnings from the Roth IRA, assuming that it has been at least 5 years, that you've had the account at least 5 years prior to your passing. That means that, let's say I start my Roth IRA at 25, okay? And let's say, Lord willing, I make it all the way to 100. That is 75 years of investing in compounding. 75 years of investing in compounding, and then my kids can inherit it and pull it out with 0 taxes. 75 years of compounding interest and no taxes. That's a cheat code, ladies and gentlemen. That is it. That is it. You need to start a Roth IRA and contribute what you can and grow it to whatever amount that you possibly can to give yourself a leg up in the wealth game and also any heirs that you may have. Now, there are some limits to a Roth IRA, okay? It's not the most perfect investment vehicle out there, but it's probably as close to perfect as you can get. There is a limit. Right now in 2023, you can only put in $6,500 per year inside of a Roth IRA. Yeah, I wish it was more. Okay, I think we all do. If you're age 50 and above, right now you can put in $7,500 per year. Every year or so, I would say honestly every 2 years, maybe 3 years, the IRS and Congress raises that limit every now and then. So I'm really emphasizing right now that is the case. Okay, hopefully these limits continue to grow and you can continue, investing and hopefully grow that to millions, right? And be able to pass that on when and if you choose. The other thing that I run into, or I see a lot of people run into, is remember, and I said this before, the Roth IRA is just an account. Okay, you must 1, open the account. 2, put money into the account, and 3, choose an investment. Put the money and click buy index funds, click buy X stock or whatever stock it is that you want to buy, and that's what's going to actually help the money grow. I've run into too many situations where I've seen people open a Roth IRA, say they're investing, they'll deposit money and just leave the money there and wonder why it doesn't grow. That's why you actually have to choose an investment. So I want to make sure that you are set up in all the right ways. Now, next thing is, well, you talked about Roth IRAs, you talked about all the advantages, but I want to open one. Where do I go? Guess what? I already got you covered. This video right here covers the best places to open a Roth IRA right now.